Hi guys, welcome to the first webinar of Grey Pixel. We have our guest Mehak Purohit. She is a founder of Chakliya Arts, and Chakliya Arts have was founded in 2018, won many awards in 2019. They have won best marketing and digital agency, best hospitalities, and many more awards. So over to you, Mehak. Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm actually very excited to meet all the new coming artists because every day on Instagram I get multiple tags. People are tagging in Chakli Art and people are tagging Mehak Purohit. You know, just to they want to know that what is my review about their designing. So first of all, I really love all the designs which I get in tag comments, but sometimes I have to give corrections also that yeah, this could be more better, or let's give better correction, let's help them. So I think this is the best portal or a way keeping webinar. I can help them, I can encourage them, and also I can share my experience because creativity is something everybody have their own hand, everybody have their own brain and the style of creating artwork. But yeah, sometimes we feel like giving corrections to each other to create that idea in or the execution part more better. And also I get multiple questions like this, that how I generate ideas. I just think that yeah, how I generate these ideas, it's not that just like cartoon film that the bulb will come and I'll get idea quickly. No, it just keep on popping in my brain. Even I'm talking to you, I have 100 frames in my brain, and sometimes I reject my own ideas to give best, not on my Chakli Art page. So we are managing many clients, a good reputed premium clients on social media. So when we have to create something for the client, I have to note down 100 ideas, and I reject my own ideas. I sit and keep on rejecting. No, 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 and then I finalize one idea. You can see in the post I have shared where people were talking about there was a trending current affair topic. People were creating artwork. Even I tried to create something like that, but then I got failed. I post that artwork on my story and I told followers, Chakli Art family, that guys, I got failed creating this artwork. Because it's not every time I will generate best and creative idea from my brain. We can't. So we have to accept that. Okay, I get many questions for this also. Anusha very nicely raised this question. So I'll tell you, when I started, I'm a commercial artist student. But nowadays, not everybody, they'll go to the creative is not about. I was artist from my this teenage age. My parents got to know that yeah, this girl is interested, our kid is interested in art, then let's put her in commercial art studies, and I've done my diploma. But nowadays people are they are engineer, they're into multiple fields, and they want to try something creative on digital media. So I always tell them, you can start with the Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. You can start, and tutorials, there are lots of tutorials online.
Yeah.
So the other way is I can ask them to just start with the Photoshop. It's all about, not about the tools, it's always about your idea and concept. When you are really working on your ideas and concept, start using Photoshop in beginning. Just see the tutorials. After that, after Photoshop, just go towards Illustrator, because Photoshop and Illustrator have same tools. Once you are good with Photoshop and Illustrator, then move ahead to After Effects. These three softwares are key softwares for any designer to execute their ideas. Because I'll tell you, when I started in beginning, even I have done commercial art study from the college, I will not say the name. I was having zero knowledge of my software. After completing third year also, trust me, I was having a zero knowledge of softwares. Then what I have done, I have started checking some tutorials on YouTube, and I've started with Photoshop, then Illustrator, and then After Effects. So I get multiple ideas, but I don't know how to execute because I don't have any key knowledge of tools. So yeah, tools are very important to execute our idea. I think we have a second question. Okay guys, I'll tell you, this is I'm getting a very frequent questions which I get in all my interviews and webinars. So I'll start how I started my Chakli Art. I was having a wonderful good pay scales job in hospitality. I worked in this industry from last 6 years. I started my career as a intern in graphic designing, then junior graphic designers, senior graphic designer, creative head, and the last position was HOD, marketing head of my department. So I was marketing head in hospitality. A biggest hospitality chain is in Mumbai right now is China Gate Group, and I was there I worked as a marketing head. That was my last job. In a night, I have decided to open my company, and now many people ask me why Chakli Art. It's a very unique and different name. So I think you can see the bird over here. Like, can you see? So I have a very emotional. I can say very emotional factor with Chakli Art. Chakli, my nani used to call me Chakli.
Oh,
Yeah. So when she passed away, I was having no motive to leave. I was that close with her. And then I started my company on name of her, that I can do something good in my life. So this is how I have named it Chakli Art. But yes, Chakli Art, opening a Chakli Art was challenging because I was leaving my very well settled job. And then in a night I have decided to start something, my own. But guys, this is not rocket science. I have started in a night with 3 interns in Mehek Purohit. That time I was having 2,000 followers because I'm a frequent traveler. So I have 2,000 followers in my Mehek Purohit account. What I have done, I have just posted a story, I need interns, and I got 3 good interns. I will name them Anjali, Ganesh, and Rahul. These guys, they are pillar of Chakli Art, and they changed my career, my life, and Chakli Art. This is how I have formed Chakli Art. So I just started with 3 interns, and now we are a good team of 12 people in Chakli Art. Then I have started another business in name of Chakli Merch, Chakli Merchandise, where I have 5 employees. And I will not say employees, I can say they are family and team, because in my own company I work like an employee. So we are like, we all are team. And then we recently launched Chakli Production. So this is how I have started Chakli Art, Chakli Merchant Production.
that's really
There is no fear to
interesting.
lose any of the business. I tell my parents, आज नहीं कल बंद होना रहेगा तो आज बंद हो जाएगा. It's just that just keep trying. I don't know what is the future of Chakli Art, myself, or Chakli Merchant Production. It's all about trying. Just try for it. Keep on trying, and then let's see what your destiny will take you. Sometimes we have to explain our ideas. We really have to, because what is going in your brain, maybe you are not be able to connect. But I feel whenever it's happening, no, just reject that idea, because I'm saying no, I have created multiple ideas, and I show that idea when I create an artwork. No, it's just that I'm a creative head of my company, I am a boss, why to take approval? But till now I take approval from my group. I sent that in Chakli Art group. And if you want to know that your idea is executed in a right form or not, the best, I can say, the best teacher is your mom. Show it to your mother. I approve all the ideas which is approved by my mother, because a lady can understand who is not that active on social media, and still she can understood my point. That means that is a winning for me. So if any of my idea, my mom is liking it, or if she can relate it, or if she's saying that Mehak, this is nice one, I feel that everybody can understand. If my mom can understand, so that is she's the best teacher. I show to her that you just tell me, are you getting this idea, are you getting my point, what I want to explain? And she's like, yeah, ऐसा ऐसा है, मोदी जड़ी बूटी लेके जा रहा है, हाँ मुझे समझ गया. I was like, ठीक है, done. That is the approval for me. So this is how I get ideas. Yeah, for all the concept and ideas I have to think, and I just keep on thinking for all my ideas. It's just that sometimes even I sit and think that यार ये ideas मेरे को आती कैसे है? Seriously, I think multiple times कि ये idea मेरे को क्यों आई? So I'll tell you, whenever I get any topic, somebody is talking about Kolhapuri chappals. People are sitting and they are talking random shit with my friends. I just keep on observing them. And they're like, Mehak, are you psycho? Like, why are you staring. I was like, no, I'm getting ideas. It's just that I get inspiration and ideas from anywhere, because I'm the person who I want to engage my content with all the people. So I want to keep my content very realistic. If I'm putting that uh, 5 wrong thoughts you will get in your quarantine, then I know what 5 thoughts you'll get in your quarantine, because this 5 wrong thoughts are getting in my head. The same thing I am feeling. So whatever I feel, whatever I see, whatever I observe, I just put that realistic content on social media. So you just start observing by yourself what you like, what you dislike, and you will get all your content to you can work on it. So that is the specific way of creating artwork. For me, if you'll ask me how I create ideas, I think on realistic topics. I work on realistic topics, and I observe each and everything what is nearby me. I observe my friends, my parents, fights, love life, breakups, everything I observe. And that that is all these topics are realistic topics, are giving me motivation and inspiration to work on my content. And that is the reason maybe you all can relate with that. So just think in that way. Okay, very nice question, Nikita. Um, I'll tell you, it's not always that I have to be creative or anybody have to be creative. You can see the live example. Everybody was creating artwork on on the one current topic. I will not name it. Even I thought that I will create something classy and amazing from Chakli art, that people will like it because everybody is doing it. And even I have tried and I got failed. So it's very natural that you are trying to create something very amazing thing and you got failed. It's natural for me. M- at many times, and it's not always that you will impress. You can't impress anybody every day. It's good to accept that point that you can't impress, and you are not here to impress anybody. You are creating something, you are just creating your self art. You are creating something which is giving satisfaction to you. It's not necessary that it will impress all the people out on social media and even your clients. So many times clients are rejecting my ideas, my company ideas, the campaign strategy I share. So it's not that I will feel demotivated. For my clients, I'll keep on trying. I give them 10 ideas, 20 ideas. Even after 20 ideas, he will say, no, I will accept that failure and I will recreate. I will think, I will ask him that give me some more brief. If I am wrong, just give me more brief. I take that as a challenge and I work again. I note down more 40 ideas and I present them. So it's not that all the time we will give great ideas. Sometimes we have to accept that failure, and sometimes we have to reject our own ideas. It's natural. We are not here to impress anybody. We are here to impress our family and ourselves. If your nearby people are happy and satisfied with your designs, it's good enough. That is a victory for us. We can't make happy everybody, and it's impossible. I just note it down. I just keep on writing, and then at a one point, it's very important when you note down the ideas. No, you just start, visualizing the ideas, that how it's gonna look on, system, or how it's gonna look. So that vision is very important, and that the frame you will create once you start writing down everything. So when I note down everything, I just get a bubble where I can see the visualize. I can visualize my idea, and if I can't visualize my idea, I just reject that idea immediately. So you just start doing it. Note it down all the ideas. Once you'll get that bubble, know that, oh my god, this you can visualize in a way, the way you have written it. That means the idea is approved by your brain, and just start creating on the artwork, on the system. You don't need to be creative for that. Trust me, creativity, you are already creative. That's the reason you are creating all the artwork on social media. But when you plan for 4 5 posts or on a single topic, so I have created multiple things, something like that on Chakli art, where you can see there is a one topic and I have created 10 artworks. That you just have to, I'll see that when I just, if I have topic like, I'll say quarantine, or what we can do, you just give me a topic and I'll give you 10 ideas or maybe 5 ideas. I'll try for it. So this is how I can I can give you live example how I have generate ideas. So you got you guys can note it down, any point, any subject, and I will provide 5 ideas from my side. Nikita, this is very good question, but I never feel pressurized because I never follow that trend. You don't need to. I mean, I have just told a few minutes, before, that it's not necessary that you raise all the trending topics every time, because some topics are very sensitive, and I feel that we should keep ourselves little away from that topics. Few topics are really sensitive, and the half knowledge will kill everybody. And we are the influencer. You are influencer. I am influencer. Everybody is influencer, and I don't want to influence people in a negative manner. So many topics I just leave, and I work on a random topic, on a realistic topic. And the current affairs also I worked, I take the proper knowledge, I read news articles, and after that I create something. So yeah, sometimes it's really pressurized when I see that कुछ हुआ, अभी मोदी जी आए, मोदी जी ने बोला कैंडल जलाना है, और यार मैं लेट हो गई यार, क्योंकि मैं 12 बजे उठी उस दिन, और देखा कि बुम्बाड़ में सारे आर्टिस्ट ने पोस्ट कर दिया, तो मुझे प्रेशर नहीं आया कि मैं फटाफट डालूं. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई थॉट दैट मैं लेट पोस्ट करूंगी, बट आई विल पोस्ट समथिंग नाइस, that influence my audience. It's क्योंकि वो मेरे जिन लोगों ने मेरे से पहले पोस्ट कर दिया था, वो लोग मेरे कंपटीशन ही नहीं है. मेरा कंपटीशन मैं खुद हूँ, and I always try to create something which I've created in my previous post. I try to keep better post than that. So there is no competitor. If anybody asks me that who is your competitor for Chakli Art, my digital agency, they name few my clients. I said no, I never heard about these people. There is no competition. Their work style are completely different than mine, then there is no competitor. So you don't need to feel pressurized. Even if you are late one day, it's not necessary कि आपको कोई आपके काम को कोई बड़ा पेज शेयर करे. जब तक आपके पास ना एक अपनी फेयर ऑडियंस है ना, एक लॉयल ऑडियंस है ना, विच आई हैव, आई एम लाइक सो थैंकफुल कि चकली आर्ट में एक फैमिली है 10-12 आर्टिस्ट की, जो मुझे हमेशा टैग भी करते हैं, जिनके पोस्ट मैं भी देख के कमेंट करती हूँ, और जो मेरे पोस्ट पे भी अपनी रिव्यूज डालते हैं. इफ इट्स गुड और इफ इट्स बैड, दे पुट कमेंट्स. सो यू वांट टू क्रिएट दैट लव फैमिली फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम करंट टॉपिक पे सुबह 5 बजे से वेट करो कि मोदी आएगा, मोदी कुछ बोलेगा और मैं इंस्टेंट 6 बजे पोस्ट डालूंगा. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. आई नेवर प्रेशराइज माई सेल्फ इन दैट. Even if I want to create something on a next day, I will create. But yes, make sure आप जो भी बना रहे हो वो काफी रिलेटेबल होना चाहिए, ऑडियंस रिलेट कर रहे, और आप सोशली डाल रहे हो तो वो मैसेज काफी क्लियर होना चाहिए, लोगों को नेगेटिव वे में इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करना चाहिए. ट्राई टू बी वेरी शो द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑलवेज, अगर वो न्यूज का है तो, एंड जस्ट वर्क इन दैट वे. I feel idea, because artwork is something which is a further point of your idea. So first you have to create an idea, and execution and artwork is a secondary point. So always work on the ideas. Once you are very strong with that idea, that this idea will work, or this idea is very clean, and your mother can understand this idea, then you just go for the execution and just work on your artwork part. Nikita, I never approach any client on social media. I never put any client logo on my social media pages. Whatever I got client or anything, you will see Chakli Art page. You will never know that who all are clients, because I don't want to show off my client's logo on my Chakli Art page. Chakli Art page is all about your, I get leads through social media. I will not deny. I get multiple leads through Instagram with good brands, blue tick brands, that if you can work for our social media, this, that, and we close that leads by God grace. But it's just that I have never created anything to target my clients. Chakli Art is purely for entertainment. I just believe in giving good artworks, and maybe clients, I don't know, I'm not tagging the clients the work I want from them, but it's just I put random creative stuff, and if any client or other person, they are liking it, then they are putting DM that if you can work for our brand, this is our brand, and this is how we are closing all the leads. So we don't work for the client, particularly for clients that let's create something to impress Jeep, let's create something to impress Mad over marketing. We just put anything random, creative, and this is how we are connecting to all the new clients and the client leads. see, when you are making some positive rules, something which is, when we are not going towards the sensitive topics, I feel that I'm not saying that I am making some rules where I am posting around 12 o'clock in the night. I am following some rules which are made by Instagram. When I know that my post reach is very good at 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, then I am not going beyond it and I am posting at 12 o'clock in the night. I am not doing it. But the rules, I am talking about the content which we have to create. I have created my rules where I will work on minimal. I will work on minimal artworks. I will work on an ideate artwork. I will not put anything. Even if I'll get collaboration from the clients that I have made some rules for Chakli art, I will never promote my client on my page. Second, people ask me for paid promotion. I never do paid promotion. I don't put any random shit on my page because that is purely for entertainment, and I am very loyal towards my audience because they are very loyal towards my content. Then I will take 10,000, 5,000, and I can't put random shit on my Chakli art page. That is my own ethics and my rules I have made for Chakli art. So these are the rules I want you guys to create, or you should follow. Create your own rules. That is what I can say. Prerak, I'll tell you, there are multiple pages which are, they are putting multiple things on their social media and they are tagging Chakli art also. And they sometimes they ask me on DM that, ma'am, please repost on your Chakli art Instagram. So I just tell them that keep on, creating some artwork. Whenever I like something from your profile, I'll definitely gonna repost. But for that, you have to create something extraordinary, because now piracy, and when you're talking about that we are not be able to increase more followers, there are two main reasons. One is piracy. People are not taking inspiration. If some artist is creating some good stuff, we should take inspiration and we should create something our own. Nowadays, ongoing artists, what they are doing, they are taking not that inspiration, they are taking the copied artwork, they are making few color changes and they are doing artwork piracy and they are posting on their profile. That's the reason people are not that's the reason maybe people are not reposting it. So I feel that we should create our own, just create something unique which nobody is doing it, and then see that how people will follow and they will also share on their stories. So the first point, your content should be very relatable to the audience. It should relatable to the people, then only people will post. And second, the idea should be realistic, a real idea by your own, because people like me, people like you all, when you are creating ideas, you must be checking multiple reference on social media. So nowadays social media people are very smart, and people like us, we are extra over smart. So if you'll post anything and you'll tag me, now I can say that from which artist you copied this artwork. That's the reason I don't repost on my stories. So always work on your realistic ideas and always create your own. Don't copy or don't take inspiration. So just create your own, I feel, and when you are creating your own and real ideas, no, people will like it and they will repost. Because if you are making when I open my Instagram feed in the morning, I can see one artwork and then one and another. All artworks are quite similar. They are just making a color changes, or maybe they are calling their own ideas. But no, piracy and copy, which we should ignore if we want good followers and good loyal audience. So always see all the what people are doing, take inspiration and create your own. That is the best way you can gain followers, that is a basic thing which I have done. And I'll tell you, when I started Chakli art in 2018, and in this 2020, I have 5,000 followers. So I'm happy with the 5,000 followers. People are creating their account today and tomorrow they are getting 10,000 followers. I don't know how come. And I don't want followers. I want good loyal audience who really like my artwork concept, and they not just follow my account, they actually follow the inspiration which I really providing, or I'm really want to spread in new upcoming artists who are coming on digital platforms. Yeah, I agree. Quality always over quantity. You don't need to post 10, 20 post or a 5 post in a day. Just post it one post, or maybe the ideas are very good, then post 2 posts, but make sure that is the quality post. Never go for the quantity, that multiple content will increase multiple followers. That is just a myth. very nice, Prerak. Just keep on trying it, because I'm giving you a very nice example. I've started my Chakli art in 2018, and in year of 2020 I have 5,000 followers. So it took me 2 years to gain 5,000 followers. So you just see that in which year you have started your page, and in after 2-3 years where you will see. You want to see yourself in numbers of followers, or you want to see yourself a good artist, a good content creator. So I have an idea. I will give you one subject, and you just provide me one idea by yourself. Okay, then even I will think on the same topic. So Saurabh, can you just unmute?
Hello.
Saurabh, let's
Yeah,
do
yeah.
one. You give us one concept, and we all will, think about the idea, and we
Oh,
will present our one idea on the topic. You give us any random topic. Chalo.
I have to give. Okay, so it has to be in the minimal zone, right?
But I can't create minimal, so I'll give you idea anything which I'll get in my mind. The first
Okay.
idea which I'll get on the
Okay.
topic. So this is
So
not scripted. I've just asked him randomly.
yeah, even I'm like, oh, what should I? Okay, so I'll give my favorite thing. So I love doing magic. So I do a little bit of magic. So can you create some creative over magic?
Magic. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Magic word is itself a magic. What I will create. Okay. So let's take 2 minutes time. Everybody. Okay. And just present your idea that if what we can create on magic. Okay. Oh, I got one. Hitesh, Ashutosh, Nikita, Anusha, you all have to, Kusum, you all have to present your ideas. Saurav is thinking hard.
Yeah, I'm not a like a designer or something. I'm a
You don't need to be
photographer.
designed to present your ideas. I'll tell you, anybody can give you idea. So when I worked in hospitality, I understood one thing, that managers and buzz boys who serve tea, coffee, this food on our table, they can present better ideas than owners. I'll tell you why. Because they know their clientele better. They are dealing with the clients. They are serving clients the dish. So when client have some ask this questions about the dish, that what are the ingredients, what is the taste, is it spicy? So they ask busboy. They ask who is taking orders. They are asking captains and managers, not directly to the owners, right? Because
Yeah,
this guy is going on table and serving, and taking the plates and cleaning the table. So they have better ideas than the owner how to run a restaurant. This is my study.
yeah,
Okay,
that does make sense.
let's
Yeah, you
start.
start.
Okay, so what idea I get when you say magic? If I want to create something on paper, or what I will do, I will show them that magic hat in hand, and there is a magician just with that. I don't know what you call. Okay, so when he tried to show some magic, there is a hat, and there's always a rabbit who come out from the hat.
Yeah.
There's a rabbit, right? So instead of rabbit, there's a corona who came out. But suddenly, not with the stick, the guy is just spray some sanitizer on that corona, and it got disappeared. I
Oh,
know that one. My first thought. You tell me.
no, I'll be the last person.
What magic wand? See, wow, Anusha has given it's a wonderful idea. I thought of sorting hat from HP with a third cloud. Leave and be there where you want to be instead of sorting into houses. Lovely. I can show that Doraemon ka door as well. No, there is a Doraemon door, and you just if I am a magician, I will create that door, and I can go anywhere where I want. So see Anusha, this is how we create ideas. We just take a random topic, we think, and we just note it down, and see, it's a wonderful idea which you have given us. If you can create artwork on it.
You so much, and I hope to see more things. Like as you said, there are more things coming forward. Guys, you can follow Chakliya Arts, and also you can follow Grey Pixel. We are also coming up with multiple things, multiple segments, and yeah, that's it. Is like
Alright then guys, lots of love, all the best, and it's fun. We should keep the type of game on Insta page as well. Yeah, Prerak, we will keep for sure, because see, this is how we create more and more ideas, and maybe you don't know your capability, what you can think of. Maybe your ideas are better than mine, so just keep on doing it. And if you need any help from my side, all the designers, if you need any help, any corrections, just feel free to DM me on Chakli Art, or Mehak Purohit is my personal ID. Just send me there. I will give corrections, how I give to my other designers, my designing team. So we'll definitely, we will be in touch. And next contest, I would really like, to invite all of you. Nikita, Anusha, please go for the next contest. I'm looking forward to, see you all in their contest and campaign. Keep connecting on Grey Pixel and Chakli Art, and hope to see you all very soon. When this lockdown will be over, definitely we'll come up with a bigger and better contest and campaign with Grey Pixel. Live.
yeah, we'll definitely do that.
Lots of love, and thank you so much everyone for joining. Anusha, Nikita, Hitesh, Prerak, Vijay, Saurabh, Lenovo. I don't know whether your name Lenovo. Very nice. Ashutosh, Grey Pixel, Hitesh, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for Grey, to Saurabh, especially to you, to conducting this amazing workshop webinar, and hope to connect you very soon for the next one.
Yeah, definitely. I'm also hoping for that. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Wish you the same. Be
safe. Be safe.
Yeah, be safe. Stay in home and create a great artwork and content which you're creating. Thanks, Anusha. Bye, guys. Lots of love.